Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's guide, I'll show you exactly how to install UltraSurf VPN on the Epic browser step by step. Let's get you protected and browsing securely for free. If you have seen this message, you know Epic browser has shut down its built-in proxy after years of protecting billions of sessions. Now, they recommend installing a trusted VPN. UltraSurf is one of the best. It's fast, free, and super easy to use. Alright, here is how to do it step by step. Step number one is that you'll open the Epic browser and go to the Chrome web store. Step number two, in the search bar, you will type UltraSurf VPN extension. Here it is. Step number three, click on the UltraSurf VPN from the result. Step number four, click on add to Chrome. Then here click add extension to confirm. So the extension is being added to our browser, and here it has already been added. So step number five, when it's done, you will see the UltraSurf button. Here it is. When you go to the extension, you should be able to see it. Here it is. So you can click on the icon to disconnect it and to connect it. So just remember that you can only use one VPN at a time for the best speed and security. It is super easy, right? Now, Epic browser is secured using UltraSurf VPN. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you need help. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.